Okay guys, what's up? We're going to be making another YouTube video. But today, I got locked up. Look. I got freaking handcuffs on me. But we're going to be breaking out of here. There's no keys around me, so it's going to be hard. The only thing I have is a knife, and then we can kind of break out with that. Now, I'm going to move, wait, let me show you how hurt. This kind of hurts bad, but we're going to break out of here. If we break out of here, it's freedom. We're going to be making another short video. Let's do this. Okay, there's this thing right here. This is where the key's supposed to enter at, but now this knife is going to enter there. This could be very dangerous. I'm going to do it like this. Dang. This thing is really killing me, guys. Okay, I'm not going to take off the handcuff on my arm, but I'm going to take this thing off that's hooked up. That seems like, wait, can y'all see it? It's right here, guys. I'm going to try to take it off, and then I'll try to take this part off. Yes! Okay, guys, I got it off. Now we just gotta get the, this thing off. Then, it's freedom. Doggies, help me! There's some dogs walking by. They're probably canines. They're really good dogs. And I'm surprised they're not attacking me. I'm gonna get this thing off. Slow process. Come on. Get off. Yes! They're off now, guys. Now I'm gonna see where the keys are located at. We gotta be alert. In case the guard comes, we gotta be alerted. I just want to see where the keys are at. If I can't find them, then we're just gonna end the video. Bullseye. In case they ever lock me up again, this is what I will have. They'll never get me. They'll never find me. Oh, I think the canines are kind of getting mad. Well, see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, God. Oh, you're getting way too close. Way too close, canine.